Sorry, I just parked
Tita,
to
tingin
it.
ka, meron pa dito sa gilid dyan. Ayan.
Wait lang. Here's the lobster. Here's the sushi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And here's the and here's the clam. That's what this is clams.
30. You want to try this one?
No, I
So
don't
you want
like.
only the lab?
Okay.
Bakit? Kukuha na ba sila? Oo, wala na.
Tara, kuha na.
Halika po na. Gusto mo magpaluto na tayo? Oo.
Gusto ko lobster.
Akin din lang.
Baka masarap yun. Nakain ko na eh. Masarap. I like the shrimp, but I taste it. But it's so yummy. But this lobster. I'm sorry. I'm really like lobster.
Gusto mo yan?
Yes.
Okay.
Oy, 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 oy. I want to try lobster.
daw po. Sabihin mo kay daddy ah.
Nasabi ko na. Daddy, gusto ko kain lobster.
Oh, wait.
Mary Rose? Lemon seasoning? I don't know. There's somewhere here, but this is the design. That I want to eat. Sorry. That I want to eat. I'm hungry for food.
Magpaluto ka niyan.
What's that
What
ice?
is that? That's your no, that's ice. That's ice. Bakit hindi na naluto?
Ito daddy, oh.
Alin?
Yung paggamit. Oh, meron na dyan pala, no? Yun, ito kulay. Mukhang masarap ayan kulay.
Ikot pa tayo
Okay. Dun sa may tao.
sa may tao. Let's go. Paano natin si Dasi? Ayun o, luluto nila din. Tingin muna tayo dito. Alam ko meron.
Alam ko,
Ayun. Just,
nadaan ko na.
nadaan mo na ako doon. Sabi ko nga kay Dorothy, pag yung mayroong oyster, can grill ka.
Oh, dito na talaga. Okay, here.
Ay, ikaw na.
There's,
Ay, sila mama mo doon.
here's the guy. lang. Dito yun, honey. Ay, wala pala. Dito yun. That's the guy. This is going to be by like. That's this.
Sinusundan ko to ay.
Wait.
Kumuha na akong pagkain, nagugutom.
Ay, gana ako nito.
Gutom na ako din.
Ayun na.
Gutom ka na eh, vlog ka na vlog. Lagay mo na sa table natin yung ano.
Kahit na.
Ha?
Vlog ko eh. Woohoo. Tatay, ano yan? Ano kuha mo?
Ano